Okay, welcome back to the channel, and have something new here for you today. This got dropped off today. A viewer donated this truck to me. It's a 1993 F150 XL, although it does have air conditioning. It's four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, and I know she looks a little rough. Actually looks better than I thought it was going to. Especially for here in Iowa. Heck, cab corners aren't even all rotted out. They do have some rot on them, but not as bad as I've seen. And hold on, rocker panel down here is all in good shape, at least on this side. This bedside isn't terrible. You could put a patch panel in here and fix that up. That wouldn't take much. Inside of the bed is in pretty decent shape. Not sure what it looks like under the bed rails. This side, not so good. This whole side is not in very good shape. And I did just notice there's a broken leaf spring on this rear on these rear ones here. It's right, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right in there. It's broke. And nope, those still have rivets in them. Thought I saw some that had bolts in them. It's got 156,000 miles on it. And interior's not bad, except for right here on the driver's seat. Otherwise, not too bad. It does starts right up, but it won't move. It did back off of the trailer a little bit, and the guy got it from, he only had it like a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. And he told me that the guy he got it from said it has a mouse nest in the clutch. And I looked that up, and yeah, that has happened a lot, I guess. There's two vent holes in the bell housing, and mice get up in there and they build a nasty nest and just clogs everything up. I couldn't believe this vacuum canister, it's not all rusted out. Came from about an hour north of me, and the stickers on it, everything, it looks like it's been there its whole life. So I'm assuming it was a one owner before he got it. So I'm gonna crawl under this thing. I don't know how much I can show you. I'm gonna pull there's a plug in the bell housing you can pull off. I'm gonna take a look up inside there and see what I see. I've read that some people have, there's one guy had that problem. Big mouse nest in there, and he just flushed it out with water for about 20 minutes, and then everything was good to go. But anyway, I'm gonna jump under here and see what I can find. Okay, so I pulled this plug out. Not very good. I need to switch hands. I don't know how much you can see, but yeah, there's I don't know how much you can see. There's a bunch of crap up in there. Looks like twine, string, or something. I'm not sure what that is right there. My screwdriver. I don't know if this camera will pick it up. I'll see what we got going on here. Yeah, it's mouse. Where'd it go? It's mouse stuff. Wasn't in there very tight, so I don't know. I could try blowing it out with air, or I don't know. The clutch, when you push on the clutch pedal, I need to hold this flashlight somehow. When you push on the clutch pedal, it actually feels okay. Let me see if I can dig more out of there. Yeah, I just started, and sometimes this light makes it worse, but there's a lot of crap up in there. I'm gonna try to dig some of that out, see if it makes any difference. Maybe take compressed air and blow it up in there, I don't know. But yeah, right up. Doggone it, I can't, it's hard to do here. I'm gonna see what I can do here, guys. Well, I don't know exactly what's going on with this truck. Been under it several times. Cleaned out a bunch of crap that was up in the bell housing. And she'll try to move. I mean, you gotta, hold on. You gotta press her pretty hard, but she'll try to move. So she'll try to move, but I'm in 4 low, and you gotta rev her pretty high. And then she'll try to move forward, try to move backwards. I don't know where the dogs are. Jesse, buddy! Get off from under the truck. Jesse, buddy! I don't know. So I'm letting out on the clutch, and nothing. If you let out on the clutch and then really rev the crap out of it, she jerks a little bit, and the same in reverse. Tries to move a little bit, but just not going to. I would think that stuff would burn out of there. I don't know. Maybe it just needs a whole new clutch. I don't know. Yeah, jerked a little bit right there. Trying a little bit. I don't know. I think there's so much stuff wound up in there. It's just, it's not letting everything engage like it should. Come on, go into gear, girl. I'm about out of gas too. It's just weird. It tries a little bit. This thing, so I don't have any idea how hard I'm pushing that engine. I'm probably pushing it pretty hard. I don't know. I keep trying to go forward and backwards, and it just doesn't do anything. Jerking, but it just won't move. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I can't get it. If I could get this thing to move, I'd drive the heck out of this thing. She ain't pretty, but really not in too bad a shape. I'm gonna try it one more time. Let the clutch out. Yep, nothing. It jerks. It just jerks a little tiny bit. And the same when I put it in reverse. It jerks a little bit. Like it wants to, but it just can't. I don't know. Anyway, this is the new turd truck that I have. I mean, really, these trucks, they don't take that much. Throw a couple fenders on it. The hood's good. Might as well shut that. The hood's good. I know it looks like crap. There's no dents in it. There's no nothing. It just needs paint. Or cleaned up and painted. Okay, it does need a new door. This side over here, this needs a lot of work. Body lines all line up. It's only got 156,000 miles on it. This side over here, really, you could just put a patch panel in here and fix that up back there. New fender up front. If you're not looking to do a total restore, just get the darn thing running. Maybe some new tires and wheels, but it'd be a good truck to drive around. So anyway guys, that's what I've got. New project truck. I know over in here need to I would love to get a new cement floor in here. We'll see if that happens. A lot of stuff needs cleaned out, and it just seems like summer goes by so fast anymore. But gonna keep working on that old turd out there and see what happens. So if you would, give this video a big old thumbs up, comments go down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. I probably got mouse nest stuff all over me. Anyway guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.